Have you ever wondered how a simple phrase like, "he said so himself," can carry such weight? Today, we're exploring the origins, meanings, and implications of this powerful expression. Let's start with some background. Ipse Dixit is a Latin phrase meaning, "he said it himself." This expression emphasizes the authority of the speaker, often used without proof or as a dogmatic statement. The phrase can be misleading. It might imply that what's said is true simply because it was stated by someone, regardless of evidence. This misuse can lead to accepting false or unverified information. Interestingly, "he said so himself" has different meanings depending on context. For example, John said to himself, "What a wonderful place," versus John himself said, "What a wonderful place." The former suggests John is speaking alone. The latter implies he's addressing others. The concept extends beyond language. In actions, it can refer to someone doing something for themselves or emphasizing their personal involvement, like the president himself opened the door, underlining his direct participation. This expression has its roots in Old English and has evolved over time. Understanding this helps us appreciate how language shapes our perception of authority and truth. In summary, "he said so himself" carries significant weight due to its historical roots and modern usage. It's crucial to critically evaluate such statements for their underlying evidence rather than accepting them based on the speaker's authority alone. So there you have it, a deep dive into the power and pitfalls of "he said so himself." What surprised you most about this phrase? Let me know in the comments.